Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview is based on my personal experience using Trafalgar. Trafalgar, found at www.trafalgar.com, is a well-established travel company specializing in guided vacations. Their website serves as a comprehensive portal for exploring and booking a wide array of trips across the globe. From classic European adventures to exotic escapades in far-flung destinations, Trafalgar offers meticulously planned itineraries designed to cater to diverse interests and preferences. Navigating the website is generally user-friendly, allowing potential travelers to easily search for tours based on destination, travel style, or even specific interests like food and wine or history and culture. Detailed itineraries provide a clear overview of each trip, outlining included activities, accommodations, and even some of the meals. Trafalgar also emphasizes its Be My Guest experiences, which offer unique opportunities to connect with local cultures through immersive interactions, often involving meals or visits with local families. Beyond the trip details, the website features helpful resources such as travel tips, packing guides, and information on visa requirements, further enhancing the planning process for their customers. They often highlight their experienced travel directors who accompany each tour group, providing insights and ensuring a smooth travel experience. Testimonials and reviews from previous travelers are also readily available, offering valuable perspectives on the quality of Trafalgar's tours. The website's booking system is integrated, allowing travelers to secure their chosen tour and manage their booking online. Trafalgar also frequently promotes special offers and deals, which can be found on a dedicated section of their site, providing opportunities for travelers to potentially save on their next adventure. While the sheer volume of information can sometimes feel overwhelming, Trafalgar's website ultimately serves as a valuable resource for anyone considering a guided vacation.